Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Nano Dimension, ticker symbol NNDM. Nano Dimensions has been on a spectacular run. Since December 17th through January 26th, Nano Dimensions stock price has risen 178%, reaching an all-time high of $17.89. Now, I'm going to give you the information that you need to know as quickly as possible. So first, we're going to look at the stock chart. We're going to look at a couple of little bit of news and try and figure out where this stock is headed. And using the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can find many support and resistance level. That's the first thing we're going to look at. That's all the blue lines that you see across your screen and the different shaded colors in between. Now, if we go over just slightly here, right where this begins, December 18th, this gray dotted line, it acts as a trend line because from where it started to where it ended up kind of matches up perfectly. Okay, on January 22nd, January 23rd, and January 24th, in that time frame, we had news come out, and I'll pull it up here for you, that Nano Dimensions appoints Dr. Eli David to the board of directors. Now, who is Dr. Eli David? Well, on Nano Dimensions 6K filing, appointing Dr. Eli David to the board of directors, he's an AI expert specializing in deep learning and evolutionary computation. This news sent the stock soaring, gapping up 15%. That's in this orange circle here. This space that you see that's void of any candles, that's the gap up on the news of Dr. Eli Lilly coming to the board of directors for Nano Dimensions. Kathy Wood, when she sent out her emails to investors, she mentioned this as a highlight for Nano Dimensions recently. So they're watching it. Okay, once Nano Dimensions got up to its all-time high, and a lot of times once that happens, the company does pull back a bit. That's healthy. It's okay. We have this blue line right here, okay, where you see all the red candles are kind of going up to, they're hitting it, and they're stopping, and they're kind of consolidating along this blue line. This blue line is $14.38. It's a critical price point for Nano Dimensions. Right now, it is acting as resistance. We have support forming at $13.69. So if you want to go ahead and set your stock alert right now as it's consolidating, if it gets under the $14 mark, you've got a good buying opportunity. So keep that number in mind. It's the best one to use right now, $14. Set your alerts, your stock alerts for that. If it goes below $14, good buying opportunity, especially if you're dollar cost averaging in on your way up. Put a little in each month, dollar cost average. That's one of the best sound investing strategies there is. If the stock gets up to this point, 14.36, we need it to break through or pass through that price point, because right now that is acting as resistance. Nano Dimensions had a great day on Tuesday. They were up 3.75% to $14.67. Now, in after hours, they're up another 2.39% to $15.02. They've made it over that $15 hump. Now, we said that it was important for Nano Dimensions to stay above this $14.41 line, this blue line here on the chart, and they did it. And if we dive in closer and take a closer look at Nano Dimensions for today, we'll see they had a rough start to the day. They were actually down a little bit, and they were under. Remember this blue line that we pointed out? Well, this is the 1-minute chart for Nano Dimensions for today, Tuesday. And you can see they went up, they tapped this blue line. It acted as resistance for them. And I said they have to be able to get above and stay above this line, this $14.41 line. They went up and tapped it. They came back down. They tried to come up again, didn't do it. But look here. Look at this volume right here. This volume is what pushed the stock up above that blue resistance line, and it's now acting as support. You can see it tried to come down here, but didn't quite get down all the way to bounce off of it. But right here it did. This was 3:30 this afternoon. It came down and back tested this old resistance line that is now the new support line. And again, in after hours, it's up another 2.3%, and it's broken above the $15 mark. Nano Dimensions is also looking for a company to purchase, with Nano Dimensions headline here engages Carl Square for European acquisition search. With Nano Dimensions surging over 4% with regular session and after hours sessions combined, investors in Nano Dimensions have high hopes for this company they are looking to purchase to strengthen their offerings. I hope you found a ton of value. Make sure you click the like button and hit the subscribe button. We really want to reach as many retail investors as we possibly can in 2021. So I need your help to do that. Share this video and click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.